Hey, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change color theme on Adobe Express. So, after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly. So, without any more time wastage, let's jump to the video. First, I'm going on Adobe Express. Then I open up a design. You can open up any design. It's absolutely free and paid available here. So, I use this circle for free. Then you can see this is a paid version, this is a paid version, so but this is a free version. So I just click on theme option. Then here are lots of way you can change this theme. Wow, it's really nice. You can see how I change color theme on Adobe Express. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.